Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagbumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we are celebrating the solemnity of the most sacred heart of Jesus. In the Bible, heart is a symbol of the entire being of a person, the entirety of the being of a person. And so we are privileged that in the private revelation of Jesus with Saint Mary Margaret Alacoque, we are allowed to see the heart of Jesus, the being of Jesus, and we are also allowed to enter and know the being of Jesus. Kaya sa pagninilay natin ngayon, titignan natin ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng kabanal-banalang puso ng Panginoon. May 30 letter S na ating pagninilayan ngayon sa kabanal-banalang puso ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo. Una po, the heart of Jesus is sacred because it is sincere. Ibig sabihin, hindi plastic, totoo at tapat lamang magmahal ang Diyos. At ito ang pagmamahal ng Diyos. Hindi ito pasikat, hindi ito hipokrito. Ang pagmamahal ng Diyos ay hindi rin pleaser na gagawa ng mabuti just to win the approval of other people or our approval. But the heart of Jesus is sincere. Walang maskara, walang pagbabalat kayo. Totoo at tapat lamang ang pag-ibig ng Diyos. It is sacred because it is sincere. It is true and it is honest. Pangalawa po, the heart of Jesus is sacred because it is scarred. Ibig sabihin po ng scarred ay peklat. At kapag may peklat, nasugatan. At kung titingnan natin in the private liberation of Jesus with Saint Mary Margaret Alacoque, he showed his heart with wounds, pierced but burning. Isa itong pagpapahayag na si Jesus, ang kanyang puso, ang kanyang pagmamahal, ay patuloy na on fire, patuloy na lumiliyab ang pag-ibig niya sa atin, bagamat siya'y nasugatan, bagamat siya'y patuloy natin nasusugatan, lalong-lalo na sa ating pagwawalang respeto sa kanyang katawan at dugo sa banal na Eucharistia. But the heart of Jesus continues to beat and loved us despite of being wounded and now with a scarred hearts. Mga kapatid, isa itong inspiration sa atin na sa buhay natin, gaya ni Jesus sa ating pagmamahal, dapat handa rin tayong masaktan. Pero hindi lang tayo mananatili sa sugat ng ating natanggap ng tayong magmahal because our love was not reciprocated or because we are betrayed by our beloved. Pero sana yung wounds natin naging scarred na rin. Patunay na yung peklat na yan ay tunay tayong nagmahal at patuloy tayong nagmamahal sa kabila ng sakit. And so, when we love, we must also be ready to be wounded. Because in love, it takes a lot of sacrifices. Also, some moments of betrayal, some moments of getting hurt, because we know that in our human love, we can never experience the perfection in this stage of love. Kaya handa rin tayong masugatan, pero yung sugat na yan ay magiging peklat upang maging bakas na tayo ay patuloy na nagmamahal at mas napapalalim yung pagmamahal natin. Sabi nga nila, love is sweeter when it comes from a wounded heart. Mas nagiging matamis magmahal ang tao nasaktan pero patuloy pa rin nagmamahal. Pangatlo po, the heart of Jesus is sacred because it is selfless. It is not selfish. Hindi makasarili. ang pagmamahal ng Diyos. But it is selfless because in the love of Jesus, in the love of God, it is always self-donation. It is about self-giving. That the heart of Jesus continues to beat for us, and the heart of Jesus is a reminder for us that the Lord continues to give Himself to us, especially in the breaking of the bread. Kaya ang pag-ibig ay hindi tungkol sa what I receive, what I get, but it is about what I give, what can I give to other people. And it's also about my capacity to give myself for the good of other people. Ganito ang puso ng Diyos. Sacred because it is selfless. It is selfless because the Lord continues to donate, to offer Himself to us. His love is about self-giving, and He continues to give Himself to us, especially in the celebration of the Eucharist. May we learn and be inspired in the Sacred Heart of Jesus, the heart that pumps and beats for us. And it's sacred because it is sincere, it has been scarred, and it continues to love, but it continues to love. And finally, it is selfless love because He continues to give or donate Himself to us. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitaw Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.